What a very lovely day to everyone. Fofolicious Food Bites is starting this month with so much fun and appreciation to all of you. Your support, comments, and consistency are so awesome. Thank you all. Today is special in every way. Fofolicious Food Bites won the Golden Penny Flour Rules Our World competition. This unboxing shows all the delightful gifts sent by Golden Penny Flour, and the gifts are really amazing. Trust Golden Penny. They sure know how to put a smile on faces with maximum satisfaction. It's time for the unboxing. Let's all see the goodness together. Flour, butter, sugar, choco spread. Hold on, it's not finished. Kitchen utensils, bags, and so much more. I'm already thinking of my next baking because Golden Penny just made it all easy for me. I'm making beautiful, colorful, delicious, tasty cupcakes. So here you have it. See what Golden Penny can do. It's just perfect for all your occasions at home and every event. All you have to do is recreate your own yummy baking and so much more recipes with Golden Penny Flour. Get your own Golden Penny Flour, butter, and choco spread and enjoy all the recipes. Keep watching Fofolicious Food Bites for more yummy baking recipes. Thank you.